Anyone who is just hopping on board with FLR will quickly learn that there are many ways to obtain additional FLR tokens, including FLR drops, FTSO delegation rewards, and more. Some of these methods involve wrapping, delegating, and claiming, which we'll cover in under 3 minutes. FLR holders can participate in both FLR drops and FTSO delegation simultaneously. However, both require the wrapped version of FLR. This process converts the native token into a smart version, allowing for greater functionality. If you've only just received FLR, especially on an exchange, it's likely not yet wrapped. The method of wrapping may differ slightly depending on which wallet you use, such as the Bifrost wallet, MetaMask, or a hardware wallet like a Ledger device. Today, we'll use MetaMask. If your FLR is on an exchange, first move it to your non-custodial wallet, in this instance, MetaMask. To find instructions on setting up whichever wallet you're using, visit the user guides on the FLR blog. After funding your wallet with your FLR tokens, we can move to the FLR portal at portal.flr.network. FLR Portal allows the use of MetaMask or any wallet supported by Wallet Connect as well as Coinbase Connect and is the hub for the most common FLR actions. Once your wallet is connected on the main page, find and click on Wrap. Input the number of tokens you wish to wrap, remembering to reserve a small amount for gas. Confirm the transaction and your tokens will be wrapped. Now that your tokens are wrapped, you're automatically eligible to receive the FLR drop distributions as long as you maintain your balance of FLR. To maximize your rewards, you can at the same time participate in delegating in the FLR Time Series Oracle, or FTSO for short. To proceed, you must first find up to 2 data providers in the FTSO system to delegate your tokens to. You can visit FLR Systems Explorer to assess statistical data to help guide your choice. With 1 or 2 data providers in mind, let's go back to the FLR portal. Find and click on the Delegate button. In the input boxes, make your data provider selections as found from FLR Systems Explorer. With your selections made, press Submit. Sign the transaction through your wallet, and your delegations have been successfully submitted. With the delegation set, you'll accrue rewards every 3.5 days, which can be claimed at the bottom of the FLR portal, alongside your FLR drop rewards on the right, every month. For more information, you can visit flr.network, where you'll find an assortment of user guides. Welcome to FLR.